Welcome back this afternoon. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here with us, and we're looking ahead to Valentine's Day, and you've got a tasty recipe that is really showing some love today.
Yeah, so you know February is a month of love, and who doesn't love Wisconsin cheese, especially when it's baked into a decadent dessert for everyone to love.
Yeah, you have me
Yes.
and thinking that cheese is involved with this. This is awesome.
It's kind of like a cheesecake brownie. There's several layers to it. So the bottom layer is actually a store-bought brownie, fudge brownie mix that you can make in the oven. We added some extra dark chocolate to it to make it even more delicious. And then there's actually a cheesecake topping on top that has Wisconsin cream cheese, Wisconsin cherry cheddar cheese, cherries, and a little bit of sugar. You're going to dollop that on top of your brownies and then swirl it around so you get these wonderful cheesecake brownies, and then just bake it according to the package. You can top it with some real whipped cream, some of the shaved cherry cheddar cheese. There's some cherry compote you can put on top. Door County is known for their cheese and their cherries, so it's a fun little dessert. And then those chocolate swirls also. So really fun to make for the upcoming Valentine holiday.
It looks good. I'm betting that it tastes even better than that, too.
Yes, very decadent. This is the cheese we're featuring. It's the Renard's Cherry Cheddar Cheese. It became super popular over Christmas with the Cherry Pie Christmas movie that you may have watched.
Yes, it was fantastic.
So everyone went to Door County. They bought the cheese. It's a wonderful place to visit if you're looking for a lovely getaway. There's a bistro, a cheese shop, but the Renard's Cheddar is owned by a family, Chris Renard. He's a Wisconsin master cheesemaker, both in cheddar cheese and mozzarella, and he's known for all of the varieties that he makes. He makes over 40 different types of cheddar cheese, along with 100 varieties of other cheese. He's a master cheesemaker that's just won so many awards and such a great destination as well.
Well, and it's awesome. I think of like how romantic Door County is, but we're kind of sharing the love across Wisconsin.
Yes, you can buy this locally, you can find it online, but Wisconsin makes so many types of cheeses, 600 different cheeses. They also source their milk all from local family farms. It's made by a family cheesemaker, and it's just a great tradition in Wisconsin.
All the first full circle stuff.
Yes.
All right, where can people find this recipe?
They can find it at wisconsincheese.com. It's the Black Forest brownie that you can find there. You can find different pairings, different suggestions. You can learn more about our cheesemakers and everything Wisconsin cheese.
Awesome.
Of course, we always remind you to look for that Proudly Wisconsin badge as well.
Helping us out. All right, Angie Edge, Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin. Thanks for sharing some love and some cheese with us.
Happy
We appreciate
Valentine's
it.
Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.